Hello YouTube! Now this isn't the 600cc's I was promising you. But I'm with a friend who is taking his girlfriend out for a ride. And has brought me along for the ride. And he's going to try and show me some sort of byway. So this will be fun. Or off-roading and all. So this is an unspecified CC bike. Come on. And this is proper off-roading. Oh man, I wanted to do this for so long! Jump! So yeah, anyway, YouTube. There's neutral. Where'd my mate go? Christ, I hope he hasn't fallen off. Him and his girlfriend. Oh, let's go back up. I even did a micro wheelie earlier. Okay guys, now we're going off to a motocross place. Apparently. Fuck, it's hot though. Yeah, this is an ancient bike though, from the 80s or something. They bought it for €100. That's about what, 60-70 quid. Good old drum brakes. I'm standing up as well. So yeah, he's taking me off to some sort of motocross place, apparently. Yeah, it's got a bit of a problem as it tries to cut out and at too high revs, which will make trying to off-road this thing a bit fun. Oh fuck though, he's riding way too close to the line. I can't wheelie it at this high speed. I haven't got enough power in it. Oh man, there's a wheelie! Hell yeah! Man, I feel like the garden snake. Except for this isn't Texas. But it's just that problem about high up gears, about being high up in the revs. Oh, dude, my first ever wheelie! Ha ha ha! I've been, yeah, it's a motocross place. I can see it. Ha ha ha! This YouTube is what it's all about. Oh, wet duck. Yeah! My first ever off-roading video, guys! And I'm getting fucking soaked. In fact, my boots wet. This is a fun road. Oh, halt. Oh, oh, dude. Whoa. Man, this is mad. Fuck. Slippery. And here's me. Ah. Fuck, 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 fuck. How did I not fall off? And more to the point, how the fuck am I getting back up that hole? Ha ha ha. Whoa. Oh man, this is fun. Now time to go back, I think. Yeah, let's turn around here. Oh, I'm wet. Oh, first time on this bike. First time doing anything half resembling off-roading. Let's be careful here. I need to be in second gear for this, so not third. And after the downhill bit, the climb. Oh, that was a nice solid thump from the back suspension there. I should be looking further ahead though, not down at the front wheel. Oh, front wheel lifted up over that bit. Oh, fuck. Hill. Slippery hill. Second gear again all the way down. Oh, mud. More mud, slippery stuff. Oh yeah, tail whipping all over the place, baby. And a bit of a sideways skid. Second gear is beautiful on this. Pulls away nicely. More slipping and sliding. Lock wheel. Oh, and a jump! Oh, quick, let's go through a puddle. And more puddles. Which way fucking did I come? That way. Oh no, you can't stall. Well, it's starting first. Yeah! Come on, baby. I remember that low flying tree. Ha ha ha! Rouge! Attends, mettez-vous là-bas. Oups. Là par contre je m'en suis pris plein la gueule. Parce que devine quel con a oublié de fermer sa visière. Ouais. T'as vu? T'as loupé ça. T'as loupé ça, t'es pas passé dedans. Bon, on va voir si avec l'eau il démarre. Oh, tu vas pas me faire la gueule quand même, petite. Fuck, that was close. Oh, I've got a wet nose. I am pretty bloody dirty. Although that last puddle washed my boots, doesn't do much for the rest of me. I'll have to get a picture. Hang on. This is the thing I'm on, see? And I've got a wet foot. Except for my boots don't have a hole in them. Apart from the one that your feet go through. So it's sort of like the similar thing to Spicy. And that's two references I've made to other motor vloggers. I don't even know what type of bike this is. Let me move the mirror though, because it gets in the way for wheelies. Oh fuck. Jump! No, not a jump. Ah, that was fun. Let's try not to kill my friend. That was non-clutch assisted, all these little wheelies. They're only like micro wheelies anyway, but that was fun.